We will repair, grout or regrout your shower or bathroom faster and cheaper anywhere in the Greater Vancouver, BC. Call Handyman Chuck now 778-938-9883. Preventing mold growth requires preventing leaks, removing standing water, venting areas. We do it all. Wall, ceiling, and floor repairs. Painting and plastering. Kitchen and bathroom tiling. Drywalling. Interior and exterior design. Residential and commercial renovations. Emergency home, house, and property repairs. Wall, ceiling, and door repairs. Kitchen, bathroom, closet, and basement renovations. Windows and doors. Home Reno Deals Canada. Ask us about home, business, or rental unit. Renovations, repairs, painting, plastering, tiling, building and design deals. Call us now at 778-938-9883.